Maayong buntag, mga familia. Can y'all see all those wildflowers? Yeah. In reality, they're just weeds. All right, it's just weeds growing, but man, some of their flowers are just so nice. What do you guys think? Yeah, really beautiful. Let's go on this walk. It's not as chilly, or it might be probably the same as last time, but I'm not as affected. I don't know. Good morning, fam.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I'll make mistakes, but mistakes make you strong.
So fast. Up here we're gonna come up on the cornfields and I'll show you guys, man, like corn, like interstellar corn. Look at all the purple. Man, it smells nice over here. I can smell them. Very florally. It's a nice scent. Just listening to some Ed Sheeran, Bad Habits. Wonderful. Bad habits eat the late nights. Look at that big mama jamma. That's a big dog. Almost as tall as the fence on all fours. Coming up on the corn, and these fields, some fields are smaller than others, and some fields are way bigger than others. And the corn usually gets taller than me. Yeah. Maybe. Hang on, let's see. It's a little mushy over here. All right, so yeah, I can't even, like, yeah, it just keeps going on and on and on. Check out this view. Get up high, I guess. Just a simple country boy. So this sign here says fireworks prohibited in this area. And there was a time when Lene and I think her husband, right, or boyfriend, was with us. His name's Chase. He's a cool dude. Anyways, we were right here, I'm pretty sure it was right over here, launching some fireworks up in the sky, and one of them went over the fence, right? And the reason why those signs are there is because oftentimes the grass here just dies because it gets hot and there's not a lot of moisture, so you start fires easily. And when it went over there, I panicked and I was like, call the fire department, call the fire department. Yeah, they never let me live that down. And then this thing just goes and goes. Did you guys see the footage of the acres and acres, like the fields of sunflowers, right? I was driving to Waco, and right over there, I think right off of 84 going to Hewitt, there's just fields and fields of sunflowers, like perfectly aligned like this. So I'm assuming they're for eating. So in this past year, I have learned a lot about Donnie, and I've learned a lot of regulation skills to help myself regulate, so I'm not having explosive reactions to anyone or anything. Anyways, my personal growth in this past year has really given me the ability to connect on another level with my parents. Like, I feel closer to my mom now. Me and my mom talk a lot now. My mom talks a lot, I listen, and then I also talk sometimes. I talk a lot. Well, here's the horses. I don't know if you guys can see them over there. I'm gonna come up here and hit this stop sign. Head back. Look how tall this sign is. This sign is tall. It's up there. And I gotta slap it. Yeah, it's a tall sign. I had to fully stretch out to touch it. The vastness. I still think that's a great view. Can you see him? You probably can't. He's right on the road. I don't want to scare him. There's a rabbit. Keep your eyes on him. He's gonna dart. He's right on the edge of the road, right where the grass meets. I hope you guys can see him. He kind of blends in. It's okay, buddy. Oh, buddy, I'm not gonna hurt you. I just want my fans to see you. You're so pretty. Yeah, look at the bunny. Hello, Mr. Bunny. Hello, Mr. Bunny. Can I see? Oh, there he goes. Toodaloo. The amount of wildlife here is just amazing. I was hoping to show you guys like a Texas longhorn, or, you know, a really big group of cattle or something, but it seems they've all been relocated. I haven't seen any longhorns since I've been back. I've seen some bulls with some horns, but those aren't necessarily longhorns. I'm trying to find you guys a true Texas longhorn. Them things, whew, you see them and you're like, holy moly. I don't know if you guys can see it. You probably can't, but there's a pond right over there. I wish I could zoom in. So it was a fun walk. Thanks for joining me. Love you guys. Hey, did y'all notice what happened to my finger? Yeah. Jiu-jitsu. It's fun. It's so hard though. It's very hard and frustrating, but I get satisfaction out of it. If I can get past, like, sometimes I gotta get in the mindset, because like, you are hands-on and you gotta be very aggressive. Anyways, I love you guys. Thanks for joining me.